Hi there, this is just a quick demo of Onboard Pi. It's a web-based OBD2 application for vehicles, giving you real-time access to values like RPMs, speeds. So when you see when I blip the throttle there, you'll go see the gauge go up. It also allows diagnostics, so you can check your check engine lights and other data stream, which you can see all your OBD2 values and filter, as well as a stream with CPU and memory usage for the Raspberry Pi itself. So this is running on a Raspberry Pi 4 in the back and a touchscreen on the front here. The image is OpenAuto Pro, which is this you see here. It's an infotainment solution. It also has dashboards, but OpenAuto Pro has an API where Onboard Pi can inject data, so we can see the values there. And being that Onboard Pi is web enabled, I can open it up on any phone here and have access to the same values. So you can see that there. And my RPM's going up when I rev the engine there. That's pretty much it. Check it out. Open to contribution as well as just users. So I'll leave the link for the repository below. Thanks.